Hello guys, welcome back once again. It's crypto updates. Today's video I'm going to share with you this particular site called Cubig. This site is not yet launched, but you are lucky enough to see this video this time around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you everything step by step. You're going to register in this platform. So following the arrow, click here that says mine so that you can register right here. But before that, you can see the announcement here. This site, this website is supposed to have been launched. You can see it right here. It's supposed to have been launched, but it is now postponed to 15th of May. So you are lucky enough. To see this website right now. So all you need to do is to participate and grab this opportunity. So right here, we have the registration page. You can see it here. So all you need to do is, you can see here that says username. You can see here that says username. You add your username. You can also see here that says email. You add your email. When you click the link in the description, this sponsor code will appear without stress. So you can add your password. You enter your password. As simple as that. You also you can see here that says get a code. You need to get a code from your email. They will send a code to your email address. Then you click get a code. They will send it to your email address. Then you paste it to this place. Then make sure you verify this so that you can able to click this register. When you verify it, you can click register here. So this is how to register in this platform. Right now, I'm going to log in because I'm already a registered member even before it was postponed. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to enter my email address. Enter my username, enter my password. Then I'll click here that says login. So remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop updates, maybe the launch day, I'll come and do a video on how you can also keep working through this site and also how you can make money. So here we have here that says purchase. We have here that says purchase. So let me click on it and show you some few things. When you register in this platform, you definitely will be on free mode here. You can see it. It will be free for you if you register in this platform, which means depositing is actually not compulsory. When you register here, you have 5 gig storage, 5 GB share link traffic, and the rest for free. So there are also some other package which you can involve yourself in. Right here we have another package which is basic, which will cost you $1. You will have 50 GB storage, 50 GB share link traffic, brand new share links, and 30 days trash retentions. You can see here you can also purchase this other one which is advanced. You can use $10 and $100 to do the rest of it. You can purchase one of it, or if you don't want to purchase, you can also stay in free mode. You can also purchase one of the products yearly, as in you can purchase the product. You can see this one basic, it costs $12. You can also purchase this one. This one is $120. This one is $1,200. So you can purchase one of it, but if you don't want to purchase, you can stay in this free mode right now. Then you can see how the site works. So what we do here is actually to watch ads. This site pays you to watch ads. The package you add determine how many ads you actually watch. So how many ads you watch is what they will pay you with. And remember, when you don't watch ads for one day, you will not get paid for that 1 week. So right here, these are some things you need to master before the site gets launched. So I'm just going to treat few of it. You can see in the tax section, everywhere is 0 because nothing has started working. You can see everything is saying coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. So it is high time for you to grab this opportunity right now. Register as a free member, or you can purchase one of the package. Then you wait for when it will be launched, which is on 15th of May 2025. So this is what you can also do. You can also invite your friend, which is another way for you to earn money from here. You can just click this link right here. When you click on your invitation, you click this link right here. Just share it to your loved one, and make sure you also your friends, you add them to your WhatsApp group or your Telegram group, so that day to day you remind them that they need to watch the ad. My WhatsApp link is in the description of this video. Make sure you join. Thanks for watching.